Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to add multiple languages to your VisionX application. To start, you'll need to open a screen. I will use my handy customer screen. Once it's open, we click on the Settings button on the right-hand side and go to the Translation tab. The standard procedure for an application is to build it in one language. As you can see, the language used in our application is English. Our goal now is to translate all of our text into another language, and there is no limit on how many languages you can have for your VisionX application. In the translation screen, you first add your desired language to the list. As we can see, right now we already have German, but maybe we want to add Spanish, so we click on the green plus button and select Spanish. For my application, the most commonly used language would be German, as VisionX is located in Austria. A frequently asked question is, well, what should I translate? The best solution is to open all of your screens first and click on Not Translated in the lower left-hand corner. VisionX tracks the language of all of the text in your screen, and when you click Not Translated, we see all of the text that is not in your desired language. I want to first translate city. City in German is Stadt, so I just type it in and press Enter. You can translate them all in one go if you would like. Let's translate customers, which is Kunde in German. Again, I want to type it in and press Enter. Then we just click on Finish. Now our translations are stored where we need them. To test that, we need to change the language. As you can see, right now my VisionX application is running in English. We have different options to change the language. A straightforward way is to go back to the Settings button. In the first tab, Details, there is a field Language. Usually it is set automatically, but I want it running in German, so I just click on the combo box and set it to German. After clicking Finish, we can see the language has indeed been changed to German where translation is available. And that's it. That's how you add another language to your VisionX application. Thank you so much for watching.